Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? JV Nation! My name is Jeremiah Vegan. I am your host that does the most, social media strategist and personal brand consultant. I help people build their own following online, become an influencer in a personal brand. Last year, I was able to help someone bring their influence to a lot bigger audience, and they're now making money. Okay, so which is good. Now I'm teaching people how to do it as well. Today, I'm building my brand for this year of 2018. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to get 6 organic subscribers to your YouTube channel and grow your influence online. Okay. Influencer marketing is something that I cover a lot about. Make sure that you guys check in the description below. Click on that playlist. Don't watch these videos individually. Watch them all together so you can kind of get a grasp on influencer marketing so you can grow your channel efficiently. Okay. Now, one way to do it organically is if you look up other people's videos that are relevant towards your niche, depending on what your niche is. I don't care what it is. If it's hair blogging, if you're a lifestyle blogger, if you're email marketing, whatever the case may be, you need to figure out what your niche is, and you want to basically go on your competitors' videos, figure out what they're doing, and engage in their comment section. Okay, try to give value to someone in their comment section. So let me give you guys an example. Let's say your niche is camping, right? You can apply this technique depending on no matter what your niche is. Say your niche is camping, right? So we're going to go to how to camp. I don't really know too much about camping, but this is just an example. We're going to go to how to camp. And by the way, YouTube suggests. This is called YouTube suggests, right? And if you don't know what you should be talking about in your videos, you need to be talking about what people are already searching for relevant towards your niche. Now, YouTube suggests tool automatically, when you use this tool in the search bar, things already come up because YouTube is a search engine. Things are already come up that people are already searching for. They want to give their viewers content that they are interested in, so they give them suggestions, right? So you can always type in certain keywords that are relevant towards your niche and see what comes up. That obviously means that people are searching for it or searched for it before. So that's just an FYI, just to give you guys some consistency as far as looking for topics to talk about. But we're going to put in how to camp efficiently. Okay, let's see what comes up. How to camp efficiently. All right, packing. Boom. Look, check this out. Packing for Camps, Tips, and Tricks, okay? By Carolyn Grace. This person has 4,905 subscribers because I installed the software that I talked about in the video, which you can find in the description. You can automatically see how many subscribers they have before you click on a video. This person has 4,905 subscribers, which is a small following, but it's an established following. It's a sweet spot. I really like this size following personally. They have a video that was posted 2 years ago and has 190,000 views. This tells me several things. One, people are interested in this topic. 2, it's a pretty decent video with decent watch time, which is 9 minutes and 47 seconds. And 3, it tells me that I could talk about stuff relevant towards this, use similar titles, use similar things in the title, and to potentially show up in her recommended section when people are watching this video. Okay, so if you do these kind of methods on different videos that have these breakout videos when they have more views than they do subscribers, if you do this consistently, relevant towards your niche, eventually you're going to start getting traffic within the 6 months to a year's time. So keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually gain 6 new subscribers by just going on to the videos like this and check for engagement. We're going to be looking for engagement. Right off the bat, she's gained 623 subscribers off of this one video. Okay, keep that in mind as well. She has a keyword What to Pack for Camp is ranking 11 on YouTube, and the views are going up within the last 30 days by 88%. So keep that in mind as well. Okay. You can also use different keywords and stuff that she used, similar titles. So you can say packing for camp tips and trips, parentheses 2018, or parentheses beginner friendly, or parentheses very easy. Something to get people's attention, and that kind of elaborates either on what she does or it kind of goes into depth. That's just an FYI, a simple hack. What you can do is you go into her comment section and you can basically just look up comments that you can kind of engage with. Okay, stop clapping so much. New drinking game. Take a shot every time she claps. This was so helpful. Thank you. Awesome video. Okay, this was so helpful. Thank you. Awesome video. So clearly this person was searching for, right? So what you can do is you can network with them and ask them what they do. Okay, this was posted a year ago, right? So let's give an example. What kind of camping do you do, right? What kind of camping do you do? What kind of camping do you do? The reason why we're engaging with them in the comments is because we want to create dialogue with them. You can do this about an hour a day. Okay, you can do this about an hour. You can try to respond to maybe 10 to 12 comments. Should take you about an hour. Maybe you might even be able to do more in an hour. Okay, I haven't done it this much this year yet because I've been working on the course. But once I work on the course, I'm going to be getting organic followers that way. I already know how to grow my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna go on about it in different ways. But this is a way for you to kind of get started if you have an hour to spare each morning to kind of dedicate towards engaging in other people's comments. So you can look up what kind of camping do you do just to kind of get some engagement going. And you can just look for comments, okay? Now, one of my biggest hacks that I want to share with you guys, that was posted a year ago, okay? So chances of her, there's a chance that she still might be interested in this kind of video and camping and stuff like that. But it's a little older because it was posted a year ago, right? So one thing that I would do is I will go to top comments and I will type in newest first, okay? You go to newest first and then you're going to look up what was posted the most recent, okay? Because chances are if they post something, especially if it's really popular and it was posted within an hour or within the last 30 minutes or so, you're going to be able to get it. The chances of you getting a response quicker is a lot more likely. So the goal is to engage with different people that are interested in this topic and then get them to eventually come to your channel. Because a lot of times, if you have content already and you're talking with someone, you're creating a conversation with them, you're not trying to offend them or insult them, chances are they're going to go on your channel and check what you got as well. People do it all the time on YouTube. Nobody really talks about that, but people do that all the time. Okay, so that, especially if you say something ignorant, people want to check you out. All right, but don't do that. All right, so we're going to look for this. Seriously, though. I think we get it. She clapped a lot. Jesus. Okay, this person obviously clapped a lot in this video. Okay, so if you're camping, you wear thermals and boots. Use a screw on stove. Shower once a day. Eat MREs. Not this BS. Okay, this person didn't like the video, but they're obviously into camping. So we want to create a conversation, right? What kind of camping do you do? A kind of camping do you do? I'm just giving you guys examples. What kind of camping do you do? Right? Just curious. Because we don't want to piss them off. We don't make them upset. We just want to create engagement. Okay? Another thing that you can do is you can kind of, and this was posted, when was that posted? That was posted a week ago. So obviously, you know, if a week ago isn't that long, but long ago, but we want to find something that has a lot of views, okay? We want to find something that has a lot of views. If you have a video in your niche that has 1 million views, you want to definitely get on that, onto that, okay? Let me give you guys another example. Let's look up Star Wars. All right, lifestyle. Let's look up. No, let's do Star Wars. 'Cause I know Star Wars got a lot of views. Okay, give you guys an example. Star Wars. All right, people love Star Wars. Star Wars blog. There's a huge niche for Star Wars bloggers and stuff. So, introduction to Star Wars, basic Star Wars minute blog. Okay, this person has 451,000 subscribers. So let's go on his channel, right? He has a lot of subscribers. Say your niche is Star Wars, right? You want to go on to this video only has 6,000 views. So let's go on to his. He has 451 subscribers, right? So we want to go to his most viewed videos, because chances are he probably has a video that has 1 million views. Okay, let's look. I never looked at this before, so let's see most popular. We're going to go to most popular videos, click on most popular. You're going to click on that sort by button. And just like I stated, he has a video that has 1.9 million views. This has 1.6 million views. This has 1.6 million views. This one has 1.3 million views. This one has 1.1 million views. He has a bunch of million view videos. So let's just pick one. The most viewed video that was posted 8 months ago. And then what we can do is that one, like I was telling you guys before earlier, we're going to look at the we can look at the analytics by installing this plugin. Okay, he's in the 90s out of 100s, 99s out of 100s. That means he's one of the most popular. Okay, video scores the popularity of this. Okay, so they're ranking this guy based on the popularity and engagement. Okay, he has a lot of engagement. Let's see how many subscribers that he got off of this. With this video, he's gained 6,323 subscribers. And then what we can do is we can go into the comment section and we can engage with people, like I was saying. This person right here has 6,626 subscribers, okay, which is a decent following. Just so you guys know, a lot of times when someone comments on another popular YouTuber's video, because they're already popular, people are going to gravitate towards the subscribers, all right? And they're going to a lot of times be the top ranking comment. As you can see, top ranking comment, 6,000 subscribers. You can reply and you can network and you can reply to other people that are already replying to this video, okay? And try to, I was going to like this, but there are 60 likes, blah, blah, blah. Channel Disney, might want to learn how to spell. Disney is canon, whatever the case may be. You can engage with this guy, okay? Let's see if he can get back to you. But he has 6,000 subscribers, so we'll see. But I hope you guys get an idea of where I'm going with this. You can always engage, comment on people that are maybe potentially interested, and Luke throws a lightsaber away. Okay, Luke is a character in Star Wars. So I can say something as simple as, which is your favorite? Which is your favorite? Who is your favorite character? Luke or who? I can just say, who is your favorite? I don't really know too much about Star Wars. Who is your favorite Star Wars character? Right? Now I'm not a Star Wars blogger, obviously, or any blogger relevant towards these videos that we're looking at. But these are just to give you an example. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. I don't mind. I'll go ahead and send it. Okay. Let's see. Maybe this is mine. Okay. All right. So I hope that gives you an idea. You can do something like this about an hour a day. Obviously, for the sake of the video, it was a little bit longer. But you can just you can just clean up in the subscribers in the comment section. You can just clean up. Hope that helps you guys how to get 6 subscribers a day in the best way. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.